Welcome to our next topic. Here we have area and volume. Area and volume. In our previous lesson, we learned about the area and perimeter of rectangle, and after that, we learned how to calculate the area of composite shapes by addition and subtraction. However, in this lesson, you'll be able to calculate the area of different 2D shapes. These include triangles, parallelograms, trapeziums, and circle. However, in this particular lesson, today's lesson, you will be able to calculate the area of triangles. The area of triangles. So down here, there are two things that you need to know. So the first one, all types of triangles have the same formula. I hope you know the types of triangles. We have a right angled triangle, and then we have a scalene triangle. After that, we have isosceles and equilateral triangle. So all these are types of triangles. So for you to calculate their area, we use or you are going to use the same formula. That means the formula will be applied to all types of triangles. So when you have a right angled triangle, you are going to use the formula, and when you have a scalene or isosceles, so it doesn't matter, but the formula will be the same. Now let's go to the second one. The formula for the area of a rectangle of triangle is derived from the formula of a rectangle. I'm repeating. The formula for the area of a triangle is derived from the formula of a rectangle. This means that the formula for the area of a triangle is formed. We use the same formula of rectangle to come up with the formula for the area of a triangle. Why? Because the triangle is half of the rectangle when it is cut diagonal. So this is the line. Diagonal line is the line from the corner of a rectangle to another corner, or from one corner to its opposite corner. So that line is diagonal line. So when the rectangle is cut like that, we are going to have two triangles. So when we have two triangles, for us to calculate the area of one triangle, it means that we are going to divide the formula for the area of rectangle by 2. Why? Because we need to find the area of one part, only the half of the rectangle. So let us see, how do we derive the formula for the area of a triangle? So here we have a triangle. So this is a right angled triangle. That means one angle is 90 degrees. So we have base length, and then we have height. That is a triangle. Now we are saying by drawing a rectangle around the triangle will help us to work out the formula for the area of a rectangle. So down here you can see that the triangle has been completed. Okay, we have completed the triangle to form a rectangle. So if we can see, we are seeing that we have two triangles there. Okay, we have two triangles. So we know that the area of a rectangle is equal to base length times height. We know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width, or we can say base length times height. That is the formula for the area of a rectangle. Now, how do we derive, or how do we form the area or the formula for the area of a rectangle? Okay, so if you can see there, we have two triangles. That means for us to find the half or one triangle there, we are going to divide the area of a rectangle by 2. the answer that we are going to get is the area of the half of the what? Of a rectangle. Or we are going to get the area of one triangle, since a rectangle has two triangles. So if we divide by 2, we are going to find the area of one triangle. So hence area of triangle is equal to 1 over 2. That is, we want to divide the area, the formula for the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to half times base length times height. In other words, we can say area of a triangle is equal to half times length times width. It doesn't matter. But in this case, we are using base length and height as indicated there. Now, how do we calculate the area of a triangle? We need to know how to calculate the area of a triangle by using that formula. Okay, so here you either be given the dimensions, the sides, the centimeters of sides or the length of sides, or you be given the area, and one side will be missing, so it will be your work to find the missing dimension. But in this case, we are going to find the area of the triangles. So the question says calculate the area of the following triangle. So here we have a triangle. The base length is equal to 5 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. So how can we use the formula to find its area? So let us focus on the solution. We are saying area of a rectangle is equal to half times base length times height. So the second step is to substitute. Let us substitute those dimensions into our formula. So half times our base length is 5 centimeter times our height is 3 centimeter. So let us multiply. So 1 times 5 centimeter times 3 centimeter, the answer is 15 centimeter square, or 15 square centimeter. So that is the area. The 15 there, it is the area of a rectangle, but we want to find the area of this triangle, the area of a triangle. That means we divide by 2, since at the beginning here we have half, so we haven't used the 2. So 15 square centimeter divided by 2, the answer is 7.5 square centimeter. So that's how we calculate the area of a triangle given the dimensions. So you just substitute the dimensions into your formula. Okay, now let us proceed. Here we have example 2. Example 2 says calculate the area of the following triangle. As I said at the beginning, that the formula for the area of triangle can be applied to any type of a triangle. So it doesn't matter whether the triangle is scalene, equilateral, isosceles, or right angled triangles. It doesn't matter. The formula can be applied to any type of a triangle. So here we have a triangle. The base length is 6 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. How can we use the formula for the area of a triangle to find its area? So here we have the solution. We are saying area of a triangle is equal to half times base length times height. This is the formula for the area of a triangle. You have to keep it. You have to keep it in your mind, so that as you are going to find these triangles, you'll be able to calculate their area. So that is the formula for the area of a triangle. Now the second step is to substitute the given dimensions into our formula. So we have half times our base length is 6 centimeter. So we are going to write 6 centimeter times Our height is 3 centimeter, so we are going to put 3 centimeter. So if we multiply 1 by 6 centimeter by 3 centimeter, the answer is 18 square centimeter. Divide by 2. So if we divide 18 square centimeter by 2, the answer is 9 square centimeter. That is the area of that particular triangle. Okay, so when you are given the dimensions, just substitute the dimensions into your formula to find its area. Okay, so that is the end of the lesson.